Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the SIM pin on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4. So what you want to do is to go to the settings and then go to mobile service. And then you are going to find the SIM pin option. So let's click on that right now. And now, as you can see, my SIM pin is not on. There is no green light right here. So it means that my SIM card is right now not secured by any pin. So it means if I'm going to get it off the this iPhone and switch it to another device, I'm not going to be asked to put the pin for the SIM card. And even if I'm going to get it off the iPhone right now and put it again here, I'm not going to be asked for the pin. So let's turn it on right now. And if you want to turn the pin, you need to have the pin of the SIM card that was the latest pin on the specific SIM card. So if you have a new SIM card, you probably get like the pin code and the PUC code of the SIM card. So now you're going to be asked for the pin. So I have the simplest one right now because I have changed it, and we have another video on our channel how to change the pin to your SIM card on the iPhone, so you can search for that. So then click done, and now as you can see, my SIM card is locked. So if I'm going to remove the SIM card now from the iPhone and put it again, I'm going to be asked for the pin. So even I can show you that. So let me just grab the tool pin right now. Pin tool, sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to get the iPhone out of the case, and now search for the SIM card tray. And now let's get off the SIM card right now. And now, as you can see, I do not have no SIM available. And now if I'm going to put the SIM card into the iPhone, now as you can see, the SIM card is on, and as you can see, now I get the notification that SIM is locked. So as you can see, now I'm going to be asked for the enter your SIM pin, so 1 2 3 4, because it was my pin, and now my SIM pin is unlocked. If I turned off this feature like this and now remove the SIM card and put it again, I won't be asked for the SIM pin. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.